your desired multiplication table. See in test side. See out to what multiple, like multiples, desired multiplication, let's say 1, and then what multiples of 1, multiples of like 1 times 2, 1 times 3, or let's say to what limit r, ang tawag dito, kung hanggang saan yung gusto niya, max to 1 limit of the table. Okay na yan. Then see in limit, declare pala natin, say int this, then limit, since integer sila, then for ay lagay natin to sa do, lagay natin sa do while para pwedeng mamili yung end user gusto pa nila, while rep is equals to y, yes. Then lagay tayo ng c type, so kahit di na gawin itong pero since baka na lang siya, gagawin ko lang tong upper, pero pwede naman hindi, pero may pakita ko mas para saan. So next is for say int I is equals to 1, then outer loop, so ilang beses siya mangyayari, let's say, diba, limit, so I is less than or equals to limit, since 1, 2, so patay na po, example, ito yung outer loop, so kung ano yung limit ng table. So, bawa, naglagay ako dito ng anong desired multiplication ko. So, gusto ko yung des is equals to 5. And then, ano yung limit ni des, which is, sabihin natin hanggang ano lang, multiples lang ni hanggang 6. So, hanggang 5 times 6 lang. So, outer loop natin is dapat hanggang 6 lang. So, 1, 2, 6. Yun. So, ito natin yan. Then, I++. Increment ng since start ng 1 and then pupunta sa 2 and then to 6. So, let's say kung gusto naman yung imbis na 6 yung gusto niya, ang gagawin niya naman na limit is sabihin natin 8, nasa 8. So imbis na 6 to, hanggang 8 pa siya. So 1, 2, 8 yung magiging 1 to 8 yung outer loop natin. So check natin. So for ito na yung inner loop, kung anong since na-printan natin yung yung pinaka out nya 1 to 8, let's say 1 to 8, lagyan naman natin siya ng multiples. So let's say 1 times j, so ibig sabihin assign natin sa 1, so 1 times 1 equals 1, and then 1 times 2 is equals to 2. Dito siya sa inner loop, since ang mangyayari lang dito sa inner loop is dito na yung mismong computation na nangyayari. So ito yung yung outer loop, ito yung pinaka outline niya, starting from top to bottom. Then yung inner loop naman niya is yung continuation. So pag ganun. So let's say 1 times 1 is equals to 1, 1 times 2 is equals to 2, and 2 times 2 times 1 is equals to 2, 3 times 1 is equals to 3, 4 times, and so on. So kaya natin yan, int j is equals to 1. J is less than or equal to desired, since ano na siya, ito na yung kung ano hanggang anong multiples na nung user yung gusto niya. So ang gusto niya is 5, then hanggang dun yung limit. So mag-start siya sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then so on. Out for C out I 8, hindi ko lang pala, J plus plus. Okay, so mayroon dito is ito na yung printing ng so lagyan natin yung I, since ayun yung pinaka-start nya. Then mag-show tayo ng output na multiply natin siya, multiplication. Then yung J naman natin, J, and then yung result, which is ito naman siya. Declare natin dito I multiplied by J, then semicolon, wait, kaya natin equals, then after that check na natin. So if ever may dito pala lagyan natin ng okay, tanggalin muna natin to para maano yung natin. Okay, check natin. Okay, mali, may pala tayo po. Okay, panel include attributes, panel hashtag include 65. Okay, let's see, I want like multiplication of 2 what limit 2 times 2 what limit 3. Okay, so 1 times 1 times 2 1, then okay, lagyan natin ng para di magana natin ng ayos. Multiplication of 3. Okay, baliktad pala. Let's put this here, desired, and then here is the limit. None not sana. Okay, let's test like desired multiplication table. Let's say I want multiplication of 3 and also like 3 times 4, so 3 times 4. Okay, there we go. Now let's put cross space here between, so for that like tab na lang this, that. So like after the result is we'll like put a tab like that after the result. So for desired multiplication table, like I want multiplication of 4. Then what limit the table? Like plus of 4. Okay, there we go. Now if we want like for the user like to repeat the program, let's put a do while loop here. Now after that looping is we can say do you want to repeat the program. Okay, then let's put option y okay, let's then now after that is well actually put this here also in do while loop for input validation, since di siya naka pag lumabas siya at pag namili yung user, if no, nangyayari lang is ayun lang, let's say nilagay ng user E, wala naman dun sa option yung E, hindi alam ng program kung anong gagawin niya. So lalagay natin sa dual loop for input validation para sure na Y or N lang yung input niya. Do while okay, tayo dito ng character rep, since ayun yung nilagay ko dito, parang ayan. Well, rep is not Y or Y end. Rep is not end. Okay, paano naman pag yung user hindi niya nilagay yung Y or N na hindi capital? Balik gagawin lang natin is dito na papasok yung CG type. So gagawin niya lang is character customization. So bawa gusto natin yung input ng user is magiging capital, ito na yung nangyayari sa CG type. So may function na rep is equals yung desired na gusto maging let's say gusto nga natin maging to upper, yan, to upper, ayun na siya. And then rep is equals to upper, and then also kung ano yung gusto nating maging niya, rep. So ayun na siya, rep is equals to upper rep. So ginagawa ng rep is kung ano yung maging input ng user, magiging capital letter. Okay, test natin. Oops, wait, 24 and not followed by wait, oh wait, wrong usage of character, but now there we go. Let's say I want multiplication of 4 and what limit the table, let's say 5. Okay, I got 4 multiples and 2 5. The 5, limit 5 limit. So first 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4. Now they want to read the program. If I put Y, magana siya automatic into capital. Yes. Now we can open put like our next desired multiplication table, let's say 10, and then like 5 also. There we go. 1 2 10.